Hello beautiful humans, I'm Jenny here, the makeup artist and nail artist as well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a warm, bronze, sultry look. I've already prepped my skin, so I'm moving straight to the foundation. Today I'm using the Cryolan Derma Color palette. I finally found the right shade close to my skin and I'm applying it all over my face. I'm blending it using a oval foundation brush. Today I'll be using only the Derma Color palette to complete the base, which is foundation, concealer, contour and blusher. I'm blending my concealer using the same foundation brush. Once done with my base, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder to set my face. Moving on with the blusher, I'm using my BH Cosmetics blush palette today. After that, I'm bronzing my face using the NYX contour palette. I'm using the pink shimmer shade from the same contour palette, highlighting the bridge of my nose and my cheekbones. I'm using a brown pencil from Focalo and using it as an eyeshadow base. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade from the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and applying it all over my eyelid. The eyeshadows and pigments blends well when you use your fingers, and that is why you can see me using my fingers quite frequently. Now I'm taking the rose gold shimmer eyeshadow and applying it on my center of the eyelid. And then I'm taking the same dark brown eyeshadow and blending it on my lower lash line. Moving on with my kajal and applying it all over my waterline. And then blending it with the same eyeshadow shade so that it doesn't smudge. Using my MAC Studio Fix powder to brush away my fallouts. And then I'm filling in my brows using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. And then I'm brushing away my eyebrows to give a natural look using a brow gel. And also I did my eyelashes off camera. And also I'm taking my liquid eyeliner and drawing a line on my inner corner so that my lash band looks seamless. I'm using my favorite mascara from Maybelline and applying it on my lower and upper lashes. I'm taking my brown pencil from Focalo and lining my lip line. And I'm going for a nude brownish liquid lipstick today from Sofwana Cosmetics, which is a local Malaysian brand. To finish off this look, I'm setting my face using my MAC Fix Plus. We are done. That's it guys for this look, and thank you so much for watching till the end. We'll see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.